Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update with the error code KB5053656 fails to install in Windows 11 computer. So this error KB5053656 is a cumulative update preview for Windows 11 versions 23H2 released on March 25, 2025. And it delivers bug fixes and minor tweaks to enhance system stability. And the common reasons about the error include unstable internet connections, corrupted system files, and low disk space. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update and Network Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu and then here at a search for apps, and then you need to type this troubleshoot settings and then click open, and here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click, and again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select this Windows Update, and on right side you can see this run button and then click, and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed and the scan is complete. And then we have this problems found Windows Update issues, and you can see here is detected. If this issues is already fixed, then you need to click yes, but if not, then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once it's done in Windows troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And same here at troubleshooters, and then we need to select this network and internet, and on right side, and then you need to click this run, and then we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do here is to follow the step-by-step procedures and method, whatever the screen instructions, then you need to follow to fix these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at help and support, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to reset the Windows Update components. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword NATSH space OneSock space reset. So just type this command keyword NATSH space OneSock space reset, and then press enter. Alright, so the successfully reset the WinSock catalog. And the other command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword ipconfig space slash slash DNS. So just type this command keyword ipconfig space slash slash DNS. So slash slash DNS, that is one word, and then press enter. And successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. Alright, so once you're done here at administrator command prompt, and then the other solutions that we're going to do is to check for corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification speed of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And verifications 100% complete. And then next command keyword that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword dsim space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy that one command keyword and then we need to paste in here, then control plus B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore portions completed successfully, and then we need to close this CMD and then here at the start menu and then we need to restart. All right, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code KB5053656 not installing on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.